Huh? Just wanna like.
Hey. Welcome to the official Justin Park comprehensive review.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. My father is a computer engineer, so he's helping me with all of this. I don't know how any of this works, okay? Okay. This little snake's nest of cables. This looks like it's a perfect fit. I don't think because the motherboard is really thin. Oh yeah, no, that's right, that's perfect. Oh, that's perf. Cool. As you can see, guys, I'm helping. Power supply. Secure. So here we have our motherboard. It's an MSI B450 Gaming Plus. Oh, does it come with instructions?
Here you go.
Thank you. I don't know what any of this means. AMD import thermal paste. Do we have thermal paste? Do we need thermal paste? Probably. So here we have our CPU, our CPU cooler, and our motherboard. Now we're just gonna follow the instructions. Looks pretty nice. Pretty nifty. Pretty nifty. Oh, why are you putting the thermal paste on the paper? Oh my goodness.
This is a power supply to the CPU.
Oh, do we even need this?
I don't think you need it.
Oh wait, is that not gonna get in the way of the RAM though?
Why?
You go.
The cable goes like
no,
this.
this bump.
Oh yeah, that's right. Good idea.
Yeah, I think that's good. But what is that? All that other stuff? That's not a word I would like to hear in my PC build. What's in there? What is that?
All the screws that you need.
Oh my goodness. So we shouldn't even put these in there.
It's okay.
Should we take these out then?
That's fine, the same thing.
So, moment of truth. Oh. 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 Is it good? That fan is working. And yeah, it looks like everything's working. Alright, so at some point I have to fix up all these cables, but you know, this is it. Everything is put in. And now we just have to run it and see if it works. Ladies and gentlemen, I humbly present to you Lucio. So sick! Oh my god. Alright. So let me break it down for you. Here I have my Corsair case. I don't know what the name is. And oh, would you look at that? It's a party invite from Mello. Let's accept this for now. I played Fortnite with it and runs so well. Epic settings, everything. I've yet to test it with other games to kind of benchmark what kind of, you know, how good it is. Hopefully it's good for Twitch streaming. It seems pretty good at multitasking so far. It's downloading a game and then also my creative suite, so Photoshop, Lightroom, all that stuff. So overall very happy with it. I got it for like $1,000 Canadian, which is like give or take 850 US.
Absolutely wrong. Proof.
So it's not too expensive for like a high-end PC, and it runs everything that I needed to run really well, so I'm overall really happy with what I got. So yes, I'm excited. I'm gonna play so many games and edit a lot of videos. So the PC itself runs 60 frames at epic settings while streaming, and then it can go more than 60 frames. I don't want to push it, but because my monitor is only 60 Hz, so there's no point in going over 60 frames. But yeah, if you can see here, gameplay looks extremely incredibly smooth. Everything looks really good. If you compared it to my Mac, like everything looks amazing, no lag whatsoever. Even though I have a wireless mouse, there's like not really any input lag. I can start running around, and you know, even though there's a lot of people here. I'm also running Premiere Pro in the background. Great for Premiere Pro editing because of a good RAM. So you can honestly, if you live in the States, you pick this up probably pretty cheap. I don't know now because I got it for Boxing Day sales, so I'll list all the parts below. And yeah, just let me know. Like, I'm so excited to play this game. I've never had like a good system to run things on, so we shall see. The only thing that I believe is worth mentioning is that this PC build does not have Wi-Fi, so you can either get a Wi-Fi adapter attached to the motherboard, or the USB port, or just connect it to Ethernet, which is what I do, and it gives you more connection or stable connection for streaming and stuff anyway. So honestly, for me, it's not that big of a deal. I just had to move a lot of my setup around, so I moved back into the basement instead of my streaming room that I would have had before. But honestly, it's not that big of a deal. Like, there's a lot of space, there's a bathroom right there, so I think I can make it sick. I'm gonna link my Twitch stream below. It's also in my channel description, channel links, and on YouTube. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching my PC builds, and I'll see you in the next one.